Every time you flip a switch, plug in your phone, or turn on the microwave, you're trusting a silent hero hidden inside your electrical panel, the circuit breaker. But what exactly happens when too much electricity flows through your wires? And how does a circuit breaker protect your home from disaster? Let's break it down, literally.
A circuit breaker is like the guardian of your electrical system. Its main job? To stop dangerous levels of current from running through your wires, which could otherwise cause overheating, fires, or serious damage to appliances.
Under normal conditions, electricity flows smoothly through the circuit. Lights shine, fans spin, and everything works as expected.
But what happens when you overload the circuit, like plugging in too many appliances at once? The current rises above safe levels, and that's when the breaker comes to life.
Inside every breaker are two key mechanisms, a bimetallic strip and an electromagnet. The bimetallic strip bends when it gets hot, caused by too much current. The electromagnet activates instantly during a sudden surge, like a short circuit. When either of these detects trouble, they trigger the switch to snap open, cutting off the flow of electricity in a fraction of a second.
That snap you hear when a breaker trips? It's actually saving your house from overheating wires, sparks, and even fires. Think of it as your electrical system's automatic safety shutoff.
Now, breakers aren't one size fits all. You'll find single pole breakers for everyday outlets and lights, double pole breakers for heavy appliances like dryers or stoves, and even specialized breakers like GFCIs and AFCIs, which give extra protection against shocks and arc faults. When a breaker trips, all you need to do is unplug a few things, reset the switch, and you're back in business. But remember, if a breaker keeps tripping, it's not a nuisance, it's a warning. It means something is wrong and it's time to call a qualified electrician. So the next time the lights suddenly go out, don't get annoyed at that breaker. Instead, thank it. It just prevented a much bigger problem. Circuit breakers are the unsung heroes that keep our homes safe, one flip at a time.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple electrical explanations, and drop a comment below with the topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.